You guys will have to excuse the horrible filming conditions. But we're gonna work with what we have, and right now we have a pile of clothes because I will be clearing out my closet because I lost quite a bit of weight. And now most of my clothes don't fit. And of course I need to clear out my closet before I go and shop for more clothes because I don't have any space left in my dressers, in my wardrobe, because my wardrobe is small, really tiny. Because like now I have this much space and I could use a bigger wardrobe. We're working on it. And yeah, as usual, I'm going to take all of my clothes out and we're going to get rid of them. A lot of them. And we're gonna, of course, I'm gonna get everything out from the dresser. Let's go. And right now I'm just gonna put everything in time lapse as per usual because I like to watch videos. And I'm going to leave the rest to voiceover Janie because I have university tomorrow and I'm really tired and I don't know where to put you guys. Where should I put you guys? Is it okay if I put you here? Are you guys doing fine over there? I suppose. I'm gonna play my video. I'm gonna get the trash bag ready and we are going to tackle this head on. Yeah, I'm such a great YouTuber. I'm always late for posting videos. I'm sorry you guys, work is a lot. University is a lot. Life is a lot. There are a lot of things going on with life right now. You guys will need to excuse my sick voiceover voice, but first I started with getting absolutely every article of clothing out of my dresser and my wardrobe. And as you can see, I have quite a few pieces, at least according to my standards. Can you see this? Can you see the absolute mountain of clothes? And I have my trusty trash bag. I'm going to try and figure out how to film for you guys. How do I film this? This is difficult. I miss having a sofa in my room. Okay, maybe if I topple everything over to here, then we can have a space around there for clothes that I'm gonna keep, and space here on the floor where the trash bag is for clothes that I'm going to get rid of. I'm such a great YouTuber, you guys. It is insane. How did I let so many clothes accumulate? Little did I know, after the filming of this video, I would get even more clothes. Should I be standing up? Should I just get on the floor? I think I'm just gonna stay on the floor. So yeah, this is a keep pile and this is a discard pile. First we have this shirt that I thrifted, which is absolutely amazing. I could never get rid of it. Look at the lacing. Look at it. My overalls, which of course stay, and the dress and this shirt, I think it had a stain, so I just decided to get rid of it. This dress, emotional attachment, yup, and I'm wearing it. And I just remembered to take all of the clothes out from the wardrobe. My poncho, I love you so much. You are going to stay forever. Despite my mind being set on getting rid of stuff, I was keeping quite a few. As you can see, I barely got rid of anything, just like a few sweaters. I think I even kept this striped one, which was a little bit too big, but I still kept it. As well as this sweater, it has a stain. It's too large on me, but it's so cozy, I cannot get rid of it. And neither can I get rid of any sweater in my collection. Would you look at that? I got rid of one thing. Yeah, just one. And I kept so many. Girl, do you really need this many clothes? Just look at this pile. I kept this skirt despite it being too big. Yeah, just no. This shirt made me feel like Bella Swan, so I kept it despite wearing it like 3 times. At this point, I was so tired, I just started putting clothes in the keep pile, like without showing them too much. And those are some pants that I got rid of because the little crotch area was worn off, and that's not the vibe I bring into 2025. Despite having gotten rid of barely anything, the bag was full, and that got me worried. So I guess that's kind of like the motivation that got me into keeping all those clothes, as you can see. However, I did get rid of this turtleneck because it had stains and some holes in it. In a true me fashion, I am keeping most of my t-shirts. I cannot get rid of t-shirts. Literally, I love my t-shirts to bits. Also, this tank top is so cool because it has like birds, skeleton birds, and I was so here for the vibe. My plaid skirt, it is staying because it's a vibe, and like yeah, mostly everything is staying. As you can see, she just keeps everything. She just keeps it. Look at her. She has a pile of clothes that she should have gotten rid of, but she kept. Ah, you stupid girl. You stupid, stupid girl. Of course, my denim skirt is staying, and so is the long sleeve shirt that I use for like home. However, I got rid of this t-shirt, this oversized anime t-shirt, because it had like nasty stains and it was like real nasty. Also, I think like this is the second shirt I got rid of because it was so big on me and I was not here for that. Yo, why am I showing my leggings like this? Like, girl, just no, just keep your leggings. No. This is my favorite dress, and I'm convinced that I'll have it until I die because I simply adore it too much. This asymmetrical skirt I had to get rid of because I didn't wear it when it was fitting me, and now it had become like too big, so I had to say goodbye. But this skirt, it fit well, so I kept it. Bad Vibes t-shirt like stays. This Y2K one, how could I get rid of it? This one is staying. Guess if I got rid of that. Come on, guess. Yeah, just she's not getting rid of any t-shirts. Nope. This long sleeve shirt, never. Nope, not getting rid of anything. Like this top, it had a hole in it and I was searching for that hole, but I didn't find it, and it was also too big. But guess if I get rid of it? No. As stated, I don't really get rid of my t-shirts. I simply love my t-shirts too much. However, I did end up getting rid of this one because it had a hole and it wasn't fitting me properly and it was not my style anymore. Like, I know you see it in frame, but I decided to get rid of it at some point. My coquette shirt, nope, it's staying. Yeah, you see, she keeps all her t-shirts. Like, it's just a t-shirt paradise. Like, I had some reservations about this shirt, but it ended up fitting well, so yep, keep everything. Like, also that skirt, I'm happy I get to keep it because it was like slightly too big, but I managed to alter it. But this top, yeah, it was unsalvageable and it was too big, so it went away. Like, so many things went away, so many things stayed. And I'm sorry, I'm such a clothes hoarder. I should have gotten rid of more. For example, these pants, they are too big and I was so hesitant about them, and at first I put them in the trash bag, but then I decided to keep them because they're just simply like good enough work pants, you know what I mean? But this skirt, she was like torn,
loose threads everywhere, so she went. My kitty t-shirt stays. These work pants also stayed. Like, look at the embroidery. I'm gagged by the embroidery, so stay. This stays. Like, just look, everything is staying, including this sweatpants.
Look at this monstrosity. I think this is the most clothes I've gotten rid of ever. Like in a single closet clean out. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, that's what happens when you lose weight. Your clothes don't fit. I decided to keep those beige pants because they work just fine as work pants. Like, I'm not trying to look my best when I'm at work. And also, I'm so glad my skirt still fits, even though it's a bit loose. And I'm gonna be so sad when the time comes to get rid of that skirt. It was my favorite. It still is my favorite. That's no small amount of clothes. Oh my god. But yeah, I am sure now my closet is gonna feel better. And yeah, this has been a terrible quality video because I am tired. Sorry. Bye.